So guys, revealing the new me. What do you all think, guys? Come on, let's go. Hi guys, good morning, happy Friday, and welcome back to our channel. And if you are new, welcome. My name is Jovi, and for today's video, guys, we're doing another exciting video. We are currently in South Melbourne, and I'm going to get my nails done, guys. That's the before, as you can see. So if you watch my previous vlog, guys, I had a very bad experience with nail salon at Footscray the other day. I think last weekend, yeah. So I get over that already, guys. So I decided I'm going to move on, and I'm gonna go to the place where I normally go before, because they're amazing. They are, what's the name? I can see it from here, guys. It's York Nails Beauty. York Nails and Beauty. So currently in the car, as you can see in the background, Paris is sleeping, and I've got my sister here. Hello. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna get SNS nails done, and I've done it here before and it was amazing, guys. So that's why, you know, I keep coming back here, even though it is what's my 20 minutes drive. Yeah, it's around 20 minutes drive from where we live, but that's cool, you know. I'm gonna take you in with me, guys, and I'll see you guys later. So that's where I'm going, guys. York Nails and Beauty. Let's go in. Hi, how are you? I had an appointment with Linda for 11 o'clock. Thank you. Just sit here. You want an SMS? Yeah, that's right. Just SMS from my nails. Hi guys, I'm back in the car now, and I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. So this is SNS, guys. So I wanted to achieve the almond shaped nails, but because my nails are a bit short, then yeah, we have to settle with this shape. But it's good, guys. I like it. What do you think about the color? It's so girly, right? Yeah, but I'm happy with it, guys. I'm so happy that I came here instead of like settling for less, right, in West Footscray. But yeah, so telling you the price, guys, it is 40 Australian dollars, because I didn't get the manicure, because I don't have a lot of cuticles anyways, guys, so I don't really want to pay extra for that. So yeah, $40 for this, guys. And so Paris is still sleeping, as you can see. Akong sister, guys, grabe ka siya ka kung sa iyang phone. But yeah, we're just gonna go home. Yeah, we're just gonna go home now, guys, because later this afternoon at 3 o'clock I have an appointment for my hair. So yes, guys, you know, pampering myself today, guys, because why not? You know, I deserve it, don't I? I deserve it, Mark? Yeah. So yeah, guys, that's what I'm doing. So we're just gonna
work hard by yourself.
Yeah, that's right. So, you know, I work hard, guys, then should shop hard. Oh no, it's not shopping, guys. Seriously, it's I think that
It's icky Pampers.
But yeah, it it makes you feel good, guys. Motivates you to work hard when you do this. So yeah, we're gonna go home now, guys. We'll see you guys later on. Bye bye. So guys, that's where we're going. The House of Locks. Ako na sa Paris na.
Outfit P? Outfit.
Outfit of the day. So, girly lang karon, guys, ha. Kay nagbutang ako dani, guys, because it's very cold.
But chara na siya. Buo na siya. Wow.
Guys, opa. Sige na. So just waiting for our turn, guys. Oh my god, that's
Akong bodyguard sila yun. Daw kaglawag akong bodyguard, guys.
It's very nice outside, guys. Huh? Very quiet.
Pero mura itong pagkatuon na din yung chicken ten sa palitan.
Is it more warm?
That's a warm one, and this one has more brown in it.
Yeah.
And this one has less brown.
Okay. Now what's
Yeah.
this one? The
Unless you want to go for something like an ashy tone.
Yeah, no, I don't think
Brown.
this one?
Yeah.
Because this would look very natural
Yeah.
to what it is.
Yeah.
So you're not looking to go lighter than this, right?
No.
This is already brassy and all.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So you reckon?
Or if you want, we could just mix this and go half and half.
Oh, that sounds good too. I think.
Because this one would still have that natural brown in it, and it would just have a tint of this.
Okay. Yeah, let's do that.
Because these ones are too gold to me, and I don't know if you like violet at all.
No, I'm not really into that.
Yeah, that's why.
I like that color, but not to my hair.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this one is perfect. So let's just mix.
Guwapa kayo na takikil. So, magland na guys, kailangan na mag-declare.
Yung makamakita nila akong details.
Lamig kayo niyang pilok guys. Grabe ka taas yung pilok. Taas pa sa akong pangandoy.
Naipag nga, no? Grabe.
reaction.
Yeah. I don't think she can.
Alright, do you want me to pull it out or do you want to just leave it? It's going to drop automatically anyway. And because you're going tomorrow,
Yeah.
I don't want to pull it out.
Yeah.
Just so that it lasts. I'll show you the back and then you're done.
Cool. Yeah. Beautiful. Awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah. Thank you. So guys, revealing the new me. What do y'all think, guys? Come on, let's go. So, time check, guys. It's 5:30 in the afternoon. So, yeah, it's 5:30 in the afternoon, guys. I've done my hair. So, yeah, guys, with this one, I got the deal from Groupon. So for the blow wave cut and also the half head foil, it's 65 Australian dollars. And because, guys, my hair is longer than the brass strap, is that brass strap? Yeah, longer than the brass strap, guys. Then they had to charge me an extra $25. And on top of that, guys, my hair needs toner, so it's another $30, guys. So all in all, I paid 125 Australian dollars, which I am. What do you think, guys? Yeah, I think it's good. I think it's worth it. Uy, mok. So yeah, guys, that's the final look. It's so ngit here, guys. So yeah, I had it curled. But yeah, it's been a really busy day today, guys. Had 2 appointments done, and yeah, I just can't wait to go home and have some rest. I don't know, I think we still have to go out, but anyways, yeah, thank you so much, guys, for being with us today. Appreciate your time watching my videos. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family, and also ring the bell to get notified every time I upload videos. And yeah, so we'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye. Bye.